Hey guys, Doug B here, your average axe-wielding hack. Welcome to Preset of the Week. Let's see what the random number generator has to say. Minimum, 0. Maximum, 383. Let's hit generate. Preset number 35. All right, let's check that one out. I checked, and preset number 35 is Tucana on all 3 units, although the FM9 version is called Tucana FM9. Now, I haven't compared every block in each version to find the differences, but right off the bat, I don't see anything different between the FX3 version and the FM9. On the other hand, the FM3 version, which does not have the FM3, tag at the end, it's missing 2 of the blocks that the other 2 have. Let's take a brief look under the hood. Since all 3 versions are pretty similar, we'll stick with the FX3 version again. It has 6 scenes: clean, lead, drive, lead, clean FX, dry clean, and dry lead. Now, besides the in and the out blocks, this preset uses 12 blocks: comp, wah, phaser, drive, delay 2, amp, cab, pan trim, chorus, delay 1, rotary, and reverb. This preset is built around the Carroll and Tucana 3 amp, which has both a clean and lead channel. Cliff Chase, the CEO of Fractal, had this to say in 2021. If you like the bass, like basic, dumble sound, but want a little more gain without the fuzziness of a Fuchs, try the Carroll and models. This Friday, we're going to be looking at using your expression pedal for effects other than wah and volume. Now, you do not want to miss that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, I will see you on Friday.